Assalamu alaikum students. We have started the MCQs from CPR and now we will continue the MCQs from pharmacology. MCQ is all of the following effects are associated with the use of levodopa except increased intraocular pressure, orthostatic hypotension, delusion and confusion, dyskinesia, agranulocytosis. So all of the options are associated with the use of levodopa except agranulocytosis, because agranulocytosis is not associated with the use of levodopa. Next MCQ is, which of the following mechanism of action is true and most likely contribute to the treatment of Parkinsonism? Options given are: the direct acting dopaminergic agonist bromocriptine mimics the activity of striatal dopamine. Option B, the antimuscarinic activity of entacapone contribute to restoration of striatal dopaminergic cholinergic neurotransmitter balance. Next one is striatal H2 receptors are blocked by levodopa. Next one is the ergoline bromocriptine stimulate the release of striatal dopamine from intact terminal. Option D, the ability of dopamine to cross blood-brain barrier allow it to restore striatal dopaminergic cholinergic neurotransmitter balance. Correct option is option A. The direct acting dopaminergic agonist bromocriptine mimics the activity of striatal dopamine. Next MCQ is, the activity of which of the following drugs depend on p-phenyl and alkyl piperidine moiety? Phenobarbital, chlorpromazine, diazepam, impramine, mepridine. Phenobarbital is basically the barbiturate derivative, chlorpromazine is basically the phenothiazine derivative, diazepam is basically the benzodiazepine, imipramine is basically the tricyclic dibenzoprazine, and mepridine, yes, it is basically the p-phenyl and alkyl piperidine moiety. So the correct option is option E. Next one is, opioids are used for all the following conditions except cough, severe diarrhea, severe chronic pain, paranesthesia and arthritis. The correct option is arthritis, because for the arthritis we use the NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and immunosuppressant, depend upon the condition and severity of the pain. Our next MCQ is, which of the following agents would not be an alternative to phenytoin in treatment of tonic-clonic seizure? Levetiracetam, gabapentin, ethosuximide, lamotrigine, carbamazepine. All the options are correct for the treatment of tonic-clonic seizure, like levetiracetam, gabapentin, lamotrigine and carbamazepine, but the ethosuximide is the drug that is used only for the absence seizure. Next is the cholinesterase. So the correct option is option C, ethosuximide. Next is cholinesterase inhibitors can be used therapeutically as mitotic agent in treatment of glaucoma, to increase skeletal muscle tone in treatment of myasthenia gravis, and to decrease gastrointestinal and urinary bladder smooth muscle tone. So the correct option is option 1 and 2. You are familiar with the fact that option A include 1, 2, 3. I didn't include this. The correct option is option 1 and option 2, and option 3 is not the correct answer, because cholinesterase inhibitors can be used therapeutically. They don't decrease the gastrointestinal and urinary bladder smooth muscle tone, they increase the gastrointestinal and urinary bladder smooth muscle tone. Correct option option 1 and option 2. Next one is, antimuscarinic agents are used in treatment of Parkinson's disease and in control of some neuroleptic induced extrapyramidal disorder. These agents include ipratropium, benztropine, trihexyphenidyl. तो अब आप लोग करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज benztropine and trihexyphenidyl, and ipratropium is not the correct answer. Next one is, the certain drugs are sometimes incorporated into local anesthetic solutions to increase their activity and reduce their systemic toxicity. These drugs include, कौन सी ऐसी ड्रग होती हैं जो हम लोकल एनेस्थेटिक के साथ इनकॉर्पोरेट करते हैं ताकि वो उसका एक्शन वेजोकंस्ट्रिक्शन से उसका जो एक्शन है वो प्रोलॉन्ग कर दें। ठीक है, तो अब यहाँ पर ऑप्शंस हैं हमारे पास डोब्यूटामीन, फेनॉक्सीबेंजामीन, एपिनेफ्रिन। डोब्यूटामीन इज़ नॉट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, इज बेसिकली सेलेक्टिव बीटा रिसेप्टर ड्रग है। फेनॉक्सीबेंजामीन इज़ ऑल्सो अल्फा रिसेप्टर स्पेसिफिक and alpha beta receptors. Sorry, phenoxybenzamine is specific for the alpha receptors. Epinephrine is non-specific alpha beta adrenergic receptor drug. So epinephrine or adrenaline is used with the local anesthetic and increase the activity and reduce the systemic toxicity. Epinephrine is the correct answer. Next MCQs will be discussed in the next lecture. Thank you for your concentration. Please like my channel Basic Pharma for the further MCQs and your learning. Allah Hafiz.